Hey, Ron Janish here at andrewscourse.com. First of all, I would like to thank Peter up in Sacramento. He posted a wonderful chart back in the end of December, and his subject line was Jewel, and he published a chart of I think it was the ES or SPY. Anyway, it was suggesting that right here was a significant bottom. And I'd like to congratulate Peter for that and thank him. And we're going to get into a couple of other things. One is if you're brand new to this stuff here, what you need to know is that you can get free email updates by going to andrewscourse.com or babsontrading.com and click on the thing that says subscribe to Precision Trader. You just click on that, that's free, and you will automatically get send out an email to this Yahoo group, and there's no cost. And you get a few emails a week. The ones that you'll get do not advertise Viagra, but they will tell you when videos like this are coming up, those kind of things. If you haven't taken the Andrews course, the Andrews Advanced course, please do. You can go to andrewscourse.com and get it there. Those of you that have taken the Andrews course, some of you may be very excited about the expanded course material. I can tell you that we have been doing research in that area now for years, and we have a new series that we'll be coming up with. Because in the past we had a series about combining Andrews and Elliott and all that kind of thing. And thanks to Peter's Joule concept, we are going to do one on expected turning points. Okay. So because during Andrew's seminars, he would on occasion talk about this is where a turning point is expected. He would use those kind of words. And in some cases, he would say, well, you draw this line and it'll pretty much be at this line or the one that would automatically be after it. And sure enough, how it works is absolutely uncanny. But there are several different techniques depending on the pattern. As you know, the market's full of different patterns. And so that's the way it goes. Let's take a quick look at this one here. This is kind of fun. This is the ES. This is the market in general. Yesterday, when the ES opened, price was over here, and I put out an email to Al in the public group there, that Precision Trader group, saying, hey, we're going to make it up to 2,200, 22,000, and 20,000 in the Dow this week. And again, Al responds in his usual manner. He suggested that it would happen in time for Trump inauguration, and I can't disagree. So yesterday, the market, I wound up buying down here somewhere, put on one position, and then as prices went down here, we had a beautiful pattern that we like to see that has to do that is one of these Joule trades, and so it's an expected reversal point. And so prices came down here and we had time and price using our Andrews techniques, and it was just absolutely beautiful. We sent out an email with charts to all course members, and so if you're a course member, you got it. And we send it out directly to you, not through the Yahoo group, because Yahoo can be kind of slow sometimes and they're harder to see. So anyway, so we wound up putting on a second position as prices came down here, and we're just sitting on a couple of longs in this particular account. This is one of several accounts that I personally run. I do not take on managed accounts from the public, please. Thank you for the confidence, but no. Anyway, so how high am I looking at this to go? Well, I'm looking for an initial move that'll take it up to the 2280 area. And if you draw in your relevant lines, which are pretty easy, you'll know that this is the area that would most likely be a place where some people will take their longs off and some others might reverse. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so much for the stock market in general. Let's take a look at something that's coming up. Before we do that, let's look at soy meal. About a week ago, I put out an email on soy meal suggesting that this would be good for what I call a balanced portfolio. Uh, Andrews had a concept about what a balanced portfolio was, and uh, at the time I was looking for something to be long, and this was definitely it. So anyway, it did what it did, and we took profits yesterday, and so it still might wind up going a whole lot more, but we're out of that soy meal thing. Okay, let's move on to what we're looking at possibly getting into today. British pound. This one here is very, very interesting. This is an hourly chart. We can see it coming down. It's kind of traveling down the median line. If you're a course member, please look at the daily chart and take a look. This is very interesting, and we think there's a good chance that we may get a reversal sometime this morning. So we'll keep an eye out for that. Okay, how far would a reversal go? Significantly up. So we'll have to wait and see. All right, that's what we have going on right now. I've just been really, really busy doing the special series, doing the research for that. It's been absolutely fun. Expected reversal points. And by the way, I'm not using the technique that Peter used in the Joule chart. I'm using something very different, and that's unique to our research. And we're making some incredible progress on this. And so I'm having a lot of fun doing it. Also, we'll be putting it together for a special thing that we'll have, a special event that we'll have in the future. So I thank you for your time, and we'll see you next time.